Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you how I knit my Bar Harbor headband. These are the finished products and I'm gonna use knitting needles 10.5 US, which is 6.5 millimeters, and I'm gonna use super bulky weight yarn. This is 100% merino wool. If you never tried this yarn, I highly recommend it. It's very soft and warm. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cast on 12 stitches. You can use your favorite cast on, whichever that might be. Okay. And we are starting to knit. The pattern is very simple. It's one knit, one purl, one knit, one purl. Slip the last stitch and turn it over. We're gonna knit the first stitch, and I can see that the last stitch was purled, so it shows like knit stitch in this. So we are gonna do purl, knit, purl, knit. And always slip the last stitch. So we are few rows in, and the pattern is showing up quite nicely, and you can see how 12 stitches of super bulky weight yarn makes it very thick, wide. It's beautiful, super soft. Love it. So just continue following the pattern. And I always slip the last stitch and then I knit it at the beginning of following row, and purl, knit, purl, knit. So you are just gonna follow. Once you knitted 30 rows, it's time to create that knot in the middle. Gonna put 5 stitches on that spare knitting needle and put it behind work. We're gonna continue in the same pattern for another about 30 rows, and then you're gonna try the headband on and see if it fits, or you need to continue knitting for a few more rows. Once we finish the second half of this headband, it's time to put both sides together and create a seam. I'm gonna use my crochet hook So it's time to turn. This is the seam from the inside, and this is how it is from the outside. And there we are. So we are finished. I hope you guys like it. It's super soft and warm. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and we'll be back for more. Have a great day.